Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to verify your YouTube account without using your phone number. Now, if you go first to your YouTube studio and if you go to your settings, go to your channel and then go to your feature eligibility. Here you can see if your channel has been verified or not. Now, if your channel has not been verified, you need to click on here to verify. As you can see, I already enabled all of my features right here. But if your channel has not been verified, you can actually verify it without using your phone number. So let me show you how. So if you see here, you can go to this website receivesms.co. So here you can basically receive YouTube SMS and basically messages from other people with phone numbers that are available in USA, Canada, United Kingdom, and all of the countries above, right? Now, yeah, basically, let's say, I'm from Croatia, right? Let's say I want to have a USA number. I can go to USA number. I can click here on the number, right? Click on the number here, and or we can choose a phone number. We can just go here, read received SMS, and then here we can copy this number, and when we're going to verify our YouTube, right, we can just type in that number and then make sure to put SMS or a text message. They will also you can also put give us a call, right, so that they can call you, but don't do that. Just put the message, and then once you put the message in your YouTube, then make sure to update messages here, and then you will be able to see the message here, right here. And then you just copy the code, you paste the code, and then that's pretty much it. So that's basically how to verify it without using your personal phone number. Now, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.